How does ESP work? The Electronic Stability Program, ESP, counteracts skidding at an early stage. It does so by activating the brakes and, if necessary, via engine interventions. ESP comprises the following components: a speed sensor on each wheel, a yaw rate sensor which measures the vehicle's rotation around its vertical axis, a steering angle sensor which registers the driver's steering intention, sensor signals which enable the control unit to compute when and how it should intervene, an hydraulic unit which builds up and reduces braking pressure on the brakes. Simulation setup. Test track vehicle with ESP. Analysis. What happens during the first steering maneuver? The driver suddenly has to swerve to the right, but the vehicle does not respond to the driver's steering intention. The vehicle understeers, heading straight towards the obstacle. ESP briefly brakes the right rear wheel very sharply. This produces the desired countering force so that the vehicle responds as the driver intended. What happens during countersteering? When the driver turns the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in the right lane after avoiding the obstacle, the vehicle tends to oversteer, the rear end swerving to the right. The torque to the left is too high. In this case, ESP brakes the right front wheel. The torque is reduced. Instead of going into a skid, the vehicle stays on course thanks to ESP.
Bosch. Invented for life.